Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of installing OpenClaw on Windows. You'll learn how to set it up efficiently and configure your environment for the best performance.
Did you know that OpenClaw can transform your Windows experience by optimizing system performance and providing a robust platform for developers? In this video, we're going to walk you through the entire installation process, ensuring you get the most out of OpenClaw on your Windows PC. Whether you're a developer looking to streamline your workflow or an enthusiast eager to explore new capabilities, setting up OpenClaw correctly is crucial. Stick around as we guide you through each step, from checking compatibility to configuring your system environment. Before we dive into the installation, it's crucial to ensure that your Windows system is compatible with OpenClaw. Start by checking your Windows version. OpenClaw requires at least Windows 10 or higher. Next, verify your system's hardware specifications, such as processor speed, available RAM, and storage space. You'll also want to ensure your drivers are up to date, which can prevent many common issues. Compatibility checks are an essential first step to avoid setbacks later in the process. Remember, a system that meets the minimum requirements can significantly enhance your OpenClaw experience.
Once compatibility is confirmed, it's time to download OpenClaw. Head over to the official OpenClaw website to find the latest version. It's crucial to download from the official source to avoid malware. Choose the version that suits your needs, whether it's the stable release for reliability or the beta for the latest features. After downloading, verify the file integrity using checksums provided on the site. This step ensures your download is complete and has not been tampered with. Making the right choice here sets the stage for a smooth installation process. Configuring your Windows environment variables is a critical step in the installation process. Start by accessing the system properties and navigating to the environment variables section. Here, you'll need to set or modify the path variable to include the directory where OpenClaw is installed. This allows your system to recognize and execute OpenClaw commands from any command line prompt. It's also wise to back up your current settings before making changes. Incorrect settings can lead to command failures, so this step is all about precision and attention to detail. OpenClaw relies on several software dependencies to function smoothly. These may include specific libraries or frameworks that need to be installed on your system. Using a package manager like Chocolatey can simplify this process, allowing you to install multiple dependencies with minimal effort. Make a list of required dependencies from the OpenClaw documentation, and methodically install each one. Verify their installation afterward to ensure everything is set up correctly. Handling dependencies carefully can prevent a host of problems once OpenClaw is up and running.
With all the groundwork laid, it's time to run the OpenClaw installer. Locate the downloaded installer file and execute it with administrative privileges. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, opting for custom installation options if you want more control over the process. Watch out for common installation errors, such as insufficient permissions or missing dependencies, and address them as they arise. Once the installation is complete, perform a few post-installation checks to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. This is the moment where all your preparation pays off.
Security settings, particularly your firewall configuration, can impact OpenClaw's performance and connectivity. Start by opening your Windows firewall settings and ensure that OpenClaw is added to the list of allowed applications. This prevents the firewall from blocking essential connections required by OpenClaw. Be mindful of security prompts during this process, and always verify the authenticity of any permissions you're granting. Striking a balance between maintaining system security and allowing OpenClaw the access it needs is pivotal for a smooth user experience. Even with meticulous preparation, errors can occur. Understanding how to troubleshoot these problems is essential. Familiarize yourself with common error codes specific to OpenClaw installations. Most errors can be resolved by checking the installation logs, which provide detailed insights into what went wrong. Sometimes, a reinstall or repair of the installation is necessary. Don't hesitate to reach out to community forums or OpenClaw support resources for help. Troubleshooting is as much about patience as it is about technical know-how, and developing this skill can save you a lot of time and frustration.
Once OpenClaw is up and running, take some time to familiarize yourself with its interface. The layout is user-friendly, designed to help you quickly access its powerful features. Explore the main tools and features, and consider customizing the interface to suit your workflow. Tips for efficient navigation include using keyboard shortcuts and organizing your workspace. Additionally, OpenClaw integrates well with other software, enhancing its utility. By understanding the interface, you can maximize productivity and fully leverage the capabilities of OpenClaw.
Congratulations! You've successfully installed OpenClaw on your Windows PC. This setup process, while detailed, ensures a robust and efficient experience. Now that you have OpenClaw up and running, feel free to explore its various capabilities and join the vibrant community for discussions and tips. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions, so please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and guides. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you valuable content.